has been one of the best in her position for many, many years. Ladies and gentlemen, from the Cream Line, finishing second in blocks in the group phase, averaging 0.79%. One more time, from the Green Light Cool Smashers, Janet Hanaga! One of the most decorated players in the league. Your best outside sniper from the Green Light! Finished in the top 10 in scoring, attacking, serving, and receiving. Ladies and gentlemen, one more time. Smashers will also receive 500,000 pesos from the Sports Vision Management Group, the organizers of the PPL. Congratulations, your bronze medalists, the Cream Line Cool Smashers!